Want to crochet an orange slice in just 5 minutes? Let's go! First, make a slip knot and place it on your hook, then chain 2. Now insert your hook into the second chain from the hook and work 6 single crochets into that same stitch. We will make the first 2 single crochets together. Now complete the rest until you have 6 stitches, and I will see you at the end of the round. For round 2, work an increase into every stitch around. This means you will make 2 single crochets in each loop, giving you 12 stitches in total. We will make the first 2 increases together. Now complete the rest of the increase on your own, and I will see you at the end of the round. For round 3, alternate 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Let's do the first set together, then finish the round on your own. Attach the white yarn to the first stitch to start round 5. Work 3 single crochets, then 1 increase. Let's do the first combination together, then complete the round on your own. Attach the orange yarn to start round 6. Work 4 single crochets, then 1 increase. Let's do the first combination together, then complete the round on your own. Cut the yarn and loop the loop through to fasten off. Then use a needle to weave all the remaining yarn tails into the stitches on the back. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. There are plenty of beginner-friendly tutorials on my channel, so don't forget to check them out. Bye!